Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, let's see how can you fix your Spectrum TV remote which is not working. So here's a guide for you on replacing batteries, how to repair and how can you reset. Fix 1. Drain residual power and clear stuck buttons. Open the rear battery compartment cover and pull out both physical batteries completely. Press and hold down the remote's main physical power button for exactly 30 seconds with the batteries removed to drain the internal circuit boards. Mash and clean every click on every single button on the remote keypad firmly for multiple times while the power is completely disconnected. Also note that this critical friction step dislodges microscopic dust, sweat, or lotion that may be jamming internal contact pads and causing the entire remote matrix to freeze up. Fix 2. Swap for new matching power cells. Throw away the old batteries and replace them with a brand new set of AA or AAA batteries depending on your specific model layout. Wipe down the small metallic spring terminals inside the battery chamber with a dry cloth to eliminate faint corrosion blockages. Secure the battery compartment back cover tightly and look for the infrared bubble lens to light up when pressing commands. Fix 3. Trigger a full hardware factory reset. Pull the batteries back out from the rear of the physical control frame. Press and hold down the digital digit of one button on the numbered pads for at least 5 seconds. Reinsert the physical batteries back into the housing while you continuously hold down that same number 1 button. Keep holding the button down for an additional 5 seconds after the batteries are logged in. Release the key and wait for the main LED light to flash twice, confirming the device has successfully wiped its memory cache back to base default settings. Fix 4. You can repair and sync with your TV receiver. Turn on your television and your Spectrum receiver box manually using their physical power buttons. Aim your remote control directly at the cable receiver from a distance of under 6 feet. Simultaneously press and hold down the menu and OK buttons together for several seconds until the input button blinks twice. Enter the official programming codes matching your specific television manufacturer brand as detailed on the official Spectrum remote guide to re-establish your volume control parameter. So that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.